Sup everybody, Seth K Bani here. Now we are going to put the neural filter Colorize to the test. Okay, so you can see this particular image is colorized, right? Now this is the original color of the image. We are going to turn it to black and white, and once we are done, we are going to colorize it with the filter and see whether it's really going to get the exact color that we had in the original image. Now if you're wondering who these two people are, that is me and then this lady. If you want to get to know her a little bit, kindly check the description. There's a link there. There was a channel I wanted to join and to show you our personal lives, our travels, our fun, and everything that we do in our personal lives as well. So guys, let's go straight into the video. Now we are going to go to adjustments, and then let's set it to black and white, right? Black and white, and then let's clip it to it. Now I'm going to put it in the group, and I'm going to duplicate it, and then I'm going to delete this one, delete this one. All right, so let me call this black and white. Great. So original and then black and white. Now this one, I'm going to right click it and then convert it to a smart object. All right, so we have black and white and then original image. Now let's select this and let's go to our filter. Let's go to neural filters, and then let's check whether neural filter is really 100% accurate, or the AI is really going to get it correct for us. So we are going to put it to the test right now, and let's go and simply click on Colorize, and then let's see. We can see processing on device. We are hoping it's really going to get the exact colors for us. Sweet. So let's see. Let's go there, and profile none. You can actually give it a lot of profile, right? You can give it all sorts of profiles. Let's see. Let's use none, and then let's see whether we can set all these colors. You can actually play with the colors there, but I'm not going to do that. And then noise reduction, maybe I'll color artifact, maybe I'll boost it up a little bit. So we're not going to click this one. Let's leave it like this, and then let's click on OK, and then that is it. So hide this. So guys, this is the Colorize. Let's name it Colorize. Now this is Colorize, and this is the black and white that we have. So Colorize, black and white, and now this is the original image. So Colorize. Now let's bring the original image. You can see it's totally different. It didn't even color this side as well. It didn't do that. I don't know why it didn't do that. And then the dress, you can see the dress is blue. It didn't do that. And it looks quite weird a little bit. You can see here it looks weird a little bit. So whether you're using Adobe Beta or not, you're still going to have it, but I'm still sure I'm not satisfied with it. So I'll go there and then simply click on no, I'm not satisfied with it, so that everybody knows that I'm not satisfied with it. They can work on it more. Now guys, see you in the next video. I love you all guys. Peace.